She say, hold on.
She had to have the door open and put a paper there.
Yes.
For it to stop. Okay. We're gonna figure it out right now. So that's the problem. It's staying on. Well, it just look damp, but it's no water. It look like water come down though. But it seems like it been dried up. So the dishwasher right now is filling up. So it's washing right now. This is the drain hose. It's empty. Water empty.
That just stopped it completely.
Yeah, but you see how it's not calibrated properly?
Yeah.
Yeah, well, I mean, it works, so that's the main thing. So that's good.
So it does work.
Yeah, it works. Yeah, there's nothing wrong with it.
But what was her comment about?
She said water was on the floor and she had to close the door. So this is what it is, I think. I mean, the door don't even have a jam. It probably was just something sticking out at the bottom, probably, while it was leaking.
But it's working?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it was wet. You heard the water going through.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. And when it comes to like...
Here, it should stop.
Right. Right there. See, it starts again. Can't go back this way because it's like a timer. You know, it's old.
Now and then, yeah.
Mm-hmm. So all she got to do is make sure this part is facing here and it's off. See?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
So it's perfect. Once you hit it this way a little bit, see, start.